testosterone. It's not just a hormone. It is the deciding factor that determines whether you are a real man or just a soft boy. Because if you truly see yourself as a real man, someone who wants power, dominance, and high level of masculinity, then testosterone isn't just a hormone for you. It is your masculinity. It is the core of every powerful man. Because high testosterone decides your presence, your ambition, your muscle mass. Your entire performance in life depends directly on your testosterone. But the problem is, today most men don't just have low testosterone. They have dropped below the minimum healthy level. That's why in today's video, I'm going to expose 4 dangerous signs that your testosterone is being silently destroyed every single day. And more importantly, I'll show you 4 scientifically proven ways to naturally boost your testosterone the right way. Number 1, no morning wood. This is the most direct biofeedback from your body. Your engine should be revving the moment you open your eyes. If it doesn't, the problem isn't your desire. It's your masculinity. A high testosterone man is so powerful that he doesn't wake to an alarm, he wakes to arousal. So if this sign happens to you regularly, it means your testosterone is at a healthy and strong and powerful level. But if you don't feel this regularly, and it only happens once or twice a week, then this is a clear signal that your testosterone is heading toward the danger zone. Yes, temporary health issues or illness can make this normal, but if it's long-term, ignoring it is the biggest mistake. Number 2, your body can't grow, no matter what you eat. How many times have you seen this scene? You're doing everything a serious man is supposed to do. Clean diet, gym, running, pull-ups, push-ups. 0 excuses. And still, no physique, no real strength. You can't even reach your minimum healthy weight. And on the other side, there's that one friend. No proper diet, not much effort, yet his body is automatically leveling up. And when you start thinking, maybe I just have bad genetics, maybe I'm not built for this. But that is absolutely not the truth. Low testosterone completely shuts down your body's physical growth. Number 3, no facial hair and weak beard. If you can't grow a dark, thick, masculine beard, there are only 2 possible reasons. Reason number 1, weak beard genetics from your father. If your father doesn't have a strong, dark beard growth in your family has always been naturally weak, then this is not a testosterone problem. This is purely a genetic limitation. It does not mean your testosterone is low. It simply means your genetics already have a limitation. Reason 2, strong genetics, but still no beard. But if your father or male relatives have strong, dark beards, yet your beard is weak, patchy, or almost non-existent, then this is not genetics. This is a clear warning sign of low testosterone or low DHT activity. Because only high testosterone, combined with active DHT, creates a beard that is dark, thick, and truly masculine. Number 4, feminine-looking face. If you're a man, your face should naturally carry a dominant structure, a clear sign of high testosterone, such as a strong, well-defined jaw and solid chin, a wider grounded facial frame, sharp, masculine facial angles, a natural dominant presence, the look of a high-value, authoritative man. But when estrogen rises in the body and testosterone slowly drops, that dominance begins to fade. The jaw softens, angles blur, the face becomes smoother and more feminine in appearance. So here's what I want you to do. Right now, go to a mirror. Look at your face honestly. If you see more female characteristics than male ones, this isn't just a looks issue, it's a biological warning, a clear signal that your testosterone level is probably low. And there are even more signs every low testosterone man notices daily. Low ambition and aggression, low energy, unstable mood and memory issues, laziness, poor sleep, and constant weakness. These aren't random problems. They're biological signals. And now let me show you the scientifically proven way that naturally boosts testosterone and unlocks your full masculine potential. Point number 1, diet and avoid bad food. If you want to become a powerful, dominant, high-value masculine man, then you must reclaim your testosterone levels. And for that, the very first thing you need to fix is your diet. Because only a perfectly structured nutrition plan can take your testosterone to the next level. That's why you must understand your diet plan, like a system of building blocks. Just like if even one block shifts, the entire building collapses. In the same way, if you miss even one essential nutrition block, your testosterone levels slowly start to fall. Block number 1. A 2021 meta-analysis showed that low-fat diets can drop testosterone levels by up to 20 to 25%. And that's why those people who follow a low healthy fat diet plan can have testosterone levels up to 20% lower than men who follow a proper healthy fat diet. That's why you must include these high-quality, healthy fats in your diet. Monounsaturated fats, saturated fats, omega-3 fats, and for all this fat, you can follow this diet plan. You should consume fat daily based on your body weight to boost testosterone. Block number 2, protein. Protein activates your hormonal system. Protein makes muscle mass dense and defined, makes the body strong and powerful. And when the body becomes muscular and powerful, testosterone naturally rises to its peak potential. That's why every man must consume protein daily. Minimum target, 1.5 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Best protein sources, eggs, chicken and fish. Greek yogurt. Block 3, zinc and magnesium. Zinc and magnesium are key nutrients for protein synthesis, and they directly support testosterone production. If you miss these, you won't be able to build a muscular physique, and you won't be able to build high testosterone levels. That's why you must design your diet to include both together. Sources, eggs 2-3, chicken breast, pumpkin seeds. Block 4, vitamin D. We all know that vitamin D directly boosts testosterone. Still, most men take it lightly and ignore it in daily life. But vitamin D is not just a nutrient, it's a hormone activator that gives a direct signal for testosterone production. The most powerful and natural source of vitamin D is sunlight. That's why you must get sunlight exposure every day. Minimum sunlight exposure, 15 to 20 minutes daily, 20 to 40 minutes if you have darker skin. Best time, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. During this time, sunlight is strong, and the body absorbs vitamin D with maximum efficiency. You should also include high vitamin D foods such as salmon, tuna, sardines. Testosterone-destroying foods, you must quit these today. First, soy and soy products. Second, vegetable seed oils. These oils block testosterone production. Third, sugar and high fructose corn syrup. Fourth, ultra-processed foods. These can reduce testosterone levels by up to 25%. Point number 2, exercise for boost testosterone. Just like gym training makes your body muscular and powerful, the perfect physical training sends a direct signal to your testosterone. When you apply maximum pressure and intensity, your body gets one clear message. It's time to grow. That's why not every exercise is for you. You should perform only bodyweight compound exercises that tell your body to boost testosterone, such as squats, pull-ups, push-ups, lunges, pike push-ups, and for a core finisher, plank and hanging leg raises. Do not just do what you can handle. If you did 20 squats today, you must do 23 tomorrow. You must force your body to adapt, or it will never grow. Point 3, talk to attractive women. Scientific research shows that when a man talks to an attractive woman, his testosterone can spike by 30 to 40%. Why? Because when you interact with an attractive woman with confident body language, steady eye contact, and a calm, controlled masculine presence, your body receives a clear biological signal. The masculine hormone activates. In that moment, your senses sharpen. Your focus becomes narrow and intense. You subconsciously become more alert and attuned to her body language. This isn't just attraction. This is evolutionary wiring. Your body understands one thing. There is competition. I must show presence. And that's why your testosterone rises naturally. So if you're in school or college, this is a golden opportunity for you. Don't avoid it. Don't hide. Stand tall. Hold strong eye contact. Speak with a calm, grounded, confident presence. Talk to that attractive classmate not to impress, but to activate the man you're supposed to be. Point 4, sleep, the real recovery mode. Now it's time to focus on real recovery, and the most powerful method for that is sleep. Most people don't take sleep seriously. They assume it's just rest. But the truth is, during deep sleep, your body repairs itself. Muscles recover, hormones rebalance, and most importantly, testosterone rises naturally. University of Chicago study shows that if you consistently don't get proper sleep, your testosterone levels can drop by 15 to 20%. That's why you need 7 to 8 hours of deep, uninterrupted sleep every night. The deeper and higher quality your sleep, the stronger your hormonal recovery. Don't underestimate sleep. It isn't just rest, it's biological optimization. Avoid blue light at least 1 hour before bed. Starting today, make this a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Eliminate habits that hurt your recovery. Protect your rest. Stay consistent, and you will move closer to your natural maximum testosterone potential. Thanks for watching.